Hello students. In the last class we have discussed about different types of ligands, how bond formation takes place between ligand and metal. So in this class we will be discussing about nomenclature of complex compounds, nomenclature of complex compounds, nomenclature of complex compounds and oxidation states of metal, or we can say calculation of oxidation states of metal, or you can say central metal in complex compound. So here friends, I am taking one example, that is K4 FeCN taken 6. For this we have to calculate oxidation state of central metal atom. So we know this is ionic sphere and this is coordination sphere. Okay, so we know in coordination sphere this is called ligand and this is called central metal atom. Okay, for this central metal atom we need to calculate the oxidation state. So oxidation state is nothing but charge present on central metal atom. So we know, so metal will exhibits most commonly, that is positive charge. So in complex compounds mostly metal show positive charge. So either it may be present in neutral oxidation state, or you can say or zero oxidation state. So here friends, for this complex FeCN taken 6, for this complex we will be calculating the charge present on central metal atom, okay. So if you dissociate this complex compound you will get 4K plus FeCN taken 6 power minus 4. So on potassium we have plus 1 charge, so 4 into plus 1 it will be plus 4. So if it is plus 4, on complex ion you will get minus 4. If it is plus 3, here you will get minus 3. Here plus 5, here you will get minus 5. Okay, so like this, after dissociation, so this metal should be assumed as X plus, here we have 6 Cn ions. Okay, 6 into, on Cn you will have minus 1 charge, so this is minus 1 is equal to, on complex we have minus 4 charge. Okay, so 6 into minus 1 minus 6, so here we have plus, no, so 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Okay, and here plus is there, no, plus into minus again minus, so this is x minus 6 is equal to minus 4. X is equal to, so if you bring this minus 6 towards right side it will be minus 4 plus 6, so here minus 4 plus 4 cancel, x is equal to plus 2. Very simple. So like this we can calculate oxidation state, or for this directly we can calculate. So on potassium we will have +1, no? So here we can write 4 into +1, okay, plus this iron is assumed as X, because for this particular atom we need to calculate oxidation state. So plus on cyanide we have -1, so this is 6 into -1 is equal to, we have to take 0. After dissociation on complex you will have -4, no? So is equal to, you have to take -4. So here there is no charge, any charge, okay, there is no dissociation. So if there is no charge, then you have to take 0. So this is 4 into +1 plus 4 plus X, this is plus 6 into -1 minus 6, okay, plus into minus, minus again. So plus 4 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, okay, X minus 2 is equal to 0, X is equal to 2, okay. So like this we have to calculate oxidation state. So I am taking one more example, that is K2 NiCN taken 4. So here also same. So on potassium we will have +1 charge, okay. So 2 into +1. So potassium is first group, no? So that's why it will show +1 charge. Why? Because in its outermost orbit you will have only one electron. After losing that electron, potassium will get its octet electronic configuration in its outermost orbit. So that's why it will show only +1 charge. 2 into +1 plus for nickel. So nickel you have to assume as you should be considered as X plus. So cyanide will have -1 charge. 4 into -1 is equal to 0. So here 2 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel, X is equal to, X minus 2 is equal to 0, again X is equal to 2. So if you bring this minus to right side, it will be +2, okay. And one more example we will see. So here this is platinum NH3 taken 6, and this is Cl4. For this complex compounds we will be we will give names after the calculation of oxidation states of central metal atoms for various complex compounds. So later we will discuss their names, how to give names to complex compounds. So again this is X. So on ammonia is neutral, okay, it will not have any charge, okay. So on this ammonia you will have 0 charge, and carbonyl 0 charge, and H2O 0 charge, okay, these are neutral, right. So here 0. So on chloride you will have -1 charge, Cl minus will be there, no? If you take HCl from this you will get H plus plus Cl minus, right. So Cl will have -1 charge, right. So this is X plus 6 into 0, 6 into 0 is equal to, you don't have to take is equal to, plus, so this is 4 into -1 is equal to 0, 4 into -1 is equal to 0. So this is 6 into 0 0, so you don't have to take 0. So X plus, so 4 into -1 -4, okay, again plus into minus, otherwise 4 into -1 -4, okay. So plus into minus, again minus, X minus 4 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. X is equal to, if you bring right side, -4 becomes +4. So on platinum you will have +4 oxidation state, understand. And next example we will take, that is K2 ZnOH taken 4. So again here +1 charge, so 2 into +1 plus, so this zinc assumed as X, plus on hydroxide you will have -1 charge, 4 into -1 is equal to 0, right. So this is 2 plus X, 4 into -1 again -4, -4 is equal to 0. then this is plus 2 minus 2 cancel, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 again. Understand? Next one more example we will discuss, that is chromium H2O taken 6, then this is Cl3, right? So on chloride you will have -1 charge. So on if chloride has -1 charge, so we have total 3 chlorides, 3 into -1, it will be -3. This is -3 means on complex you will have +3. Initially we took like this, no, K4 FeCN, K4 FeCN taken 6, like this. After dissociation you will get 4K plus FeCN taken 6 power -4. So here 4 into +1 +4, no, so this is +4 means here on complex you will have -4 charge. Same like this only, here 3 into -1 -3, no, okay. So on complex you will have +3, opposite charge will be there. Understand? So for this we will calculate oxidation state. So this is X, on H2O charge is 0, okay, neutral. So plus 6 into 0 is sorry, this is plus again, so 3 into -1 is equal to 0. So this calculation I am doing here, X, so 0, no, 6 into 0 0, so here 3 into -1 -3, again minus into plus, -3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, so if you bring -3 right side it will be +3. Understand? I hope you are getting. And next one, next example, platinum Cl2 En taken 2, then this is Br2. So this En is called En is known as ethylene diamine. What is this? Ethylene diamine. Okay, so it will be like this: CH2 CH2 NH2 NH2, right? So diamine, so this is ethylene, right? Now so on ethylene diamine there will not be any charge, 0 charge, here 0. Cl will have -1 charge, Br will have -1 charge, remember this, okay. So this is X plus 2 into -1 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0, okay. X minus 2 plus 2 into 0 0, you don't have to write 0, 2 into -1 again -2 is equal to 0, plus into minus again -2 is equal to 0. It will be -2 -2 -4 is equal to 0. X is equal to +4. Very simple. So like this we have to calculate oxidation states, okay. So in the next session we will discuss the nomenclature of complex compounds.